Shh. One of two things is evident. Either you don't care about bond conditions, you don't care what judges say, or you have a problem. But, we ordered not to.
Whoa! This judge isn't holding back. When a DWI second offense shows up, the court gets serious. And let's be real, either you're ignoring the law or you're playing with fire. What do you think? Is this recklessness or a deeper issue?
We ordered you not to use. It's a serious case. It's a DWI second offense, and you're using.
Your Honor, I don't blame myself, but I know after we left court.
How is it possibly your fault?
Well, Your Honor, it's because typically what I do with my clients, I emphasize to them the bond conditions, and I reiterate how important they are to follow them.
I emphasized on her ad nauseum when she was here last time.
I sincerely,
Stephen, sorry?
I apologize. I know.
If you kill someone on the side of the road, do you think that apology does anything?
Gene Simmons? Okay, this judge has jokes, but make no mistake, he's dead serious. Bond conditions aren't just suggestions. They're your last chance at freedom before jail. Miss them, and it's game over.
If I had one strand of hair for every single person that told me sorry in here, holy moly, I would look like Gene Simmons. But no, bond conditions are in there for a reason, right? And when you fail to live up to them, there's one thing that happens. She goes with you. Come talk with me back.
Awesome.
What's your last name again?
Rodriguez.
Hello, Judge.
Joaquin,
Yes, sir.
I have your client in front of me.
Okay, Catherine?
February 20 is a Monday. You want to measure?
I'm now putting a monitor on your ankle so I know that you're not using any time at all times.
Let's break this down. A scram monitor plus GPS and a curfew? That's basically house arrest on steroids. The judge is drawing the line hard. Would you rather have freedom with rules or total lockdown?
You will now get a scram device on one ankle so I know that you're not using. On your other ankle, I'm going to put a GPS monitor, and I'm now giving you a curfew. You are not allowed to be out in the middle of the night. Do you understand? And if you ever test positive again, your bond will be so high that it's going to reach the clouds. Do you understand? You will be taking the Dodge Patas everywhere. No more driving as well. Do you understand?
I can't go to work.
I didn't say you couldn't go to work. You're on a very serious second DWI, and you're continuing to consume. I want to do everything in my power to protect the public. I don't want you on the street, and I don't want you out in the middle of the night. You're continuing to use. It scares me. Do you know every single day someone dies from an alcohol-related collision in this county? Every single day. And I will do everything in my power to prevent it from happening. I'm modifying your conditions now in lieu of taking you into custody. You can sure do it the other way around. You know, Joaquin.
Yes, sir.
We can always reapproach with conditions at a later time. But I want to
Yes,
know that my Houston is protected, because that's the only thing that matters to me. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
There
Yes,
are
sir.
other ways, and you need to be able to find it. But I can't trust you in the car if you're continuing to use when we ask you not to use. I will give you a curfew of 10 PM to 6 in the morning. You're not allowed to be out past 10 PM. If you violate curfew, if you consume alcohol again, then I will lock you up and I'm not going to play this game with you again. You understand? Okay. All right, just take a seat for me. We'll be back with you here shortly. Is that mom over there?
No, he came in on his own, Judge.
What does that mean?
Well, the pen foster, like you could do it at your own pace. Like if I were to like give it like everything I got, I could graduate probably like less than 6 months. But right now, well, I had to start from ninth grade. But right now I'm in
So
11th.
what have you done lately?
I'm working on my school and well I don't have like I'm not like like I guess you say a job, but I'm helping like one of my friends. We do.
Helping means nothing.
Yeah, I know. I start to
You, what have you done in this course, in this school? Because since it's self-study, what have you done?
it's, right now it's all during like mental health stuff. So it's all like the course I'm in right now it's all about mental health. And the next like I move by categories. So one's mental health, the next one will be math, the next one will be science, and then the other two.
Not understanding
The
what
last
you're
two.
saying.
Oh,
What courses, what tests have you taken to show me that you're actually doing something?
I just have to finish that one and I'll complete with the whole mental health.
Have you even made an appointment to meet your instructor?
It's not like instructor based. It's like I'm saying it's like all online. Like you can go at your own pace. You can like my little brother.
And what I'm concerned is
Here's the turning point. The judge is laying down life advice like a coach in a locker room, and honestly, he's right. How you present yourself can decide whether someone sees potential or a problem.
that your pace is at stop now.
Oh.
That's my concern.
I've
Like
been
you're not doing anything.
yeah, but I had that last open case. I showed you last time. I've progressed since then.
Show me. That's just an
I can
open
show you.
webpage.
I can show you another one. Like probably the next court date. It'll be like a new. It's not gonna be mental health no more. I should be in math or science. And I start my job tomorrow.
Where?
Framing houses. And I can get the paperwork. Oh, I don't know.
Yeah, I want,
Yeah, I can get other
after
paper.
you're working,
Yeah.
then I want you to go to work. I don't want you to spend your time here wasting it, and you can get proof to him. He can get it to me.
I can get
But
it.
I want proof that you're actually working full-time or in school full-time. This does not look like full-time study to me. So
Yeah, it's because I applied to Chick-fil-A, but they denied me because of my open case. So that's when I applied to the framing, and he said I should. Well, I was supposed to start today, but he told me to come better tomorrow. So I have to go in at 5 in the morning. So he told me since I had court to just come in tomorrow.
and they're okay with your hair looking like this at
I'm
work?
gonna tie it up and wear a hard hat. I called it. Yeah.
The way you look says a lot about you. When you look like $1 million, people treat you like $1 million. When you look like a thug, people treat you like a thug. When you act like a thug, they will treat you as such. If you go into a place and you speak professionally, how I'm speaking to you now, and when you act like you own a room, 9 times out of 10 you do. But if you go in there with speech like, yeah, dog, this, it's always going to go nowhere. To move up in this life, you have to look good, sound good, and be professional. Otherwise, you're never going to get anywhere. You understand? This, it's not going to look good for a job. I'm telling you. If you're out going to play, great. But not while you're working, man. So I want to roll it to tomorrow. Bring proof that he's working. I want to know that he's just not on the street, screwing around.
But he's gonna give me a paper, so like
okay.
a picture.
I want to verify it though. I want you to know.
I think what he's saying is he's not going to be able to have it by docket call tomorrow morning, is what he's trying to get.
Yeah,
at.
like tomorrow when I go into work, he'll give me the paper and then
Okay.
I just
So
a picture.
take a picture of it
That's-
and text it to him.
That's fine.
It's not hard. Go to work. When you go there, get there early. dress appropriately and do a bang up job. Don't do stuff half-assed, because if you do, they're just going to send you home. You understand? And no using dope. Okay?
When you want back, Judge?
We said, when do we do for another test?
If he was, Judge, I just had 2 weeks proof of school or job.
Okay, so I will test, I'm going to test him 50 days from the day that he picked the case up, which was March 21st. I'm testing you so I know that you're not using. If you test positive after 2 months, it's not going to go well for you. That should be a sufficient amount of time that there's nothing in your system. Do you understand, Mr. Melendez? Okay, so we'll set you off. Let's do Monday, just to give you enough time to get the documentation to me. At the next setting, I also want proof that you've done your schooling. Do you understand? Okay, done.
So you want back Monday, the 21st?
Let's do Monday for the 21st, right? So you can just show me the proof. After that, we'll set you off maybe like 3-4 weeks.
This is smart. The court isn't just punishing, they're offering solutions. A free GED program removes the excuses. Now it's on him to step up. Would you take that opportunity if it meant turning your life around?
And at that time, I want proof of the school. You're telling me that you're going to have school proof, right? Okay, that you've actually completed courses.
It's just like my mom told you, like the last one. Right now, I have to wait for her to pay pay it. So until then, I have to. That course I'm in right now, I can finish it, but until she pays it, then I can't move on. But I have to see, because they're asking for like $500 because she didn't pay like 2 months last year. Like she didn't pay last year, and they're making her pay like right now.
So then this is not going to work. So what we're going to do is I'm going to put you through our GED program then, because I don't think that this is going to work. It's because I'm not going to sit here and hope and wish and pray that your mom's going to pay that, because she got other bills to pay. I have it to where you can do it for free.
How long would that one take?
It's on you. So let's do this. We'll put it back on Monday. We'll get back Tori back, and then we can figure out how to go with that as well.
Resources.
I don't see. I just don't know if you have access to what Shatori does, because I don't know. You know what it is? Okay.
Okay, so I'll get him to sign and then he'll take a seat until she cleans it up.
Okay. Okay.
So resets on Monday. He's going to work with them.
Right, we're going to get him sources so that you can sign up for your GED program for free. This is free, so there's no excuse. It's a matter of you putting the time in to get it done. Do you understand? Okay, done. Thanks, Ms. Davis.
Right, because like, go ahead and sign for your reset, please.